Diablo, cooler than gelatos. Slide into that bitch and show her how to sing legato. Chefing waffles like I'm Roscoe's, going to that hoe to Vamos. I'm out my shell, curving round the beef just like some tacos. I got problems, all of them are bottled up. Left me hollow, so I burn my halo. Boom, pick up all that angel dust. But that shit too dangerous. Icing on the fingertips, taking all these hits, but someone teach them how to. It's the Yellow Diablo, cooler than gelatos. Slide into that bitch and show her how to sing legato. Chefing waffles like I'm Roscoe's, going to that hoe to Vamos. I'm out my shell, curving round the beef just like some tacos. I got problems, all of them are bottled up. Left me hollow, so I burn my halo. Boom, pick up all that angel dust. But that shit too dangerous. Icing on the fingertips, taking all these hits, but someone teach them how to take a hit.
You can see these towns over there. They got some holes over there, and they fish inside the ocean, and they catch some fishes over there. Why is a very nice white and लोग हम जगह में जाता सब मूवी वाला समझा ये तो हम जा हम लोग wow but the water is like kind of dirty so it's not good to swim over here.
Is a water pollution.
કેમ છો કાકા આટલી બધી નાવો સાની છે ફિશિંગ માટે છે તો ડેલી આ બધી યુઝ કરે નાવો આ રોજે યુઝ થાય રોજે તો અહીંયા ખાસી બધી ફિશિંગ થતી હશે ને ડેલીની હે ને કાકા બરાબર આ પ્લાસ્ટિકની છે શું આવે પ્લાસ્ટિક આવે ફાઈબર આવે દરેક બોટોનો માલિક હશે ને અલગ અલગ
કોણા પાડીએ
આ કેવી રીતે કાણા પડે કાકા હે કાકા કાણા કેવી રીતે પડે हाँ काना के अंदर आवे छे ऑलरेडी अब लो drill machine. Alright, so you can see they get the hole inside this stone by the drill machine, and you can see there are plenty boats. They do a fishing. Alright, and that's the way the here is the ocean is like not that much stormy. It's like calm ocean. तो भी यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इतना ओह माय गॉड
झीलिया कोई नहीं एक लोग खारो बन होगा
wow so you can see there are plenty of boats over here, and this is the place for doing the fishing. यहाँ पे जो भी लोग ये फिशिंग करते हैं
very nice and to now to underground in the mobile managing.
Yeah.
Hi, hello.
They're playing the PUBG game.
For the PUBG game. Oh, yeah. Bye. Bye, sweetheart. Bye. I love you. I love you too. Bye. Bye.
Alright, so we are heading for one of the places to done now. Where you gonna go? So let's check out some more places as well. I'll see you guys one more next place. Alright. This is the GHOGHLA Beach.
What is the base? The base is a very.
Check it out.
It's a clean beach. Wow, just check it out, the beach. Wow. This beach is kind of clean, and that beach was like, oh my, just check it out, these waves. Is it coming to me? What do you think is gonna reach at me? Oh my god! Fucking hell, is it coming to me? Wow. Oh my God. He came to me. Yeah, it's good one. It's a good one. This beach I can say is quite clean. So if you want to go, if you want to enjoy any couple, then you can come on the beach of the GHOGHLA Beach. It's like kind of calm. You can't, like, you won't find plenty of people over here. Very nice people. It's a good beach. Yeah. Wow. And there's a place to sit. I think there's some work that they're doing some renovation. But actually एक चीज़ है कि यहाँ पे couples हो ना तो definitely you can come here. What clean space है. You won't find any kind of like any dirty things, as we had some dirty, some scraps on the flowers, like on this like kind of place. But this one is a clean now. Wow. You can swim here. I can't go cause I got shoes on my legs, so I don't wanna take it off and put it back on it. Let's check it out. The way we can go up on there. You can see us like stairs of the roots. If we can go up, then I'd like to go up there and take some view of this place. I think we should be allowed to go up there. Let's check it out. Oh, this is broken. I don't know what happened to it. Or maybe because of like the weight, the earth. It could be that thing. Can't see anything of it. हो सकता है कि ये थोड़ी जमीन weight हो जाती है, उसकी वजह से अपनी जो the earth that is like the land, it just goes down and the things is broken down. Oh my God, it looks like quite hard. Is it easy to go on? Oh my God, I don't think so. They're going to go up there. It's not easy. It's not cute.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No.
Tahu?
Oh no.
Alam jangan masuk.
Wah, is the risky काम.
Nah.
उठाएंगे तो अरे बाबा उठाएंगे
तो बेटे लागे भी है सवाल ये जा रहे नहीं आगे.
Where is the dancing?
Let me go up.
It's the risks that are coming and the offer is the studying. How? सर भले सब चिल्ला.
अरे वो माइन नहीं जा रहा.
अरे नहीं जाए मुसंद रोकू बाकी बरक.
तू रोकी पकड़ी.
अब पुलिस आई.
अरे मार आगे. Wow. Yeah, I just made it. Yeah, I made my place to come up. I think actually this place is not allowed to come upstairs, but still I have just came up. Oh, just like check it out. The view of from this place.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
Good man.
Wow, it's a beautiful place to take a picture. Oh my God, I'd like to take some picture from this place though. I've just come to the beach
Cricket match.
where the people they are playing the cricket, and this is I think I was there a couple of moments ago. Now I'm here. Even this is the part of the GHOGHLA Beach. Oh, check it out, these guys are going to catch. Oh, just amazing catch. He tried. Wow. Wow, just check it out. These guys are playing cricket there. What do you think? Let me try. Run the ball. बॉल ना ऊपर है बॉल पकड़ ले Okay, English speaking is not ball, is too much. So how can you say?
Come chal bhai, na kuch. Le pakad le.
Oh yeah.
Pakad ai pakad le.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Apa ada berapa? Ikut lah. Oh boy. Down up.
It's the very cricket is the very nice game. Palace is the beach. It's the Vijay Dina match one is the cricket. It's the speak though. How much right? It's not. Oh, it's a wonderful six. Why? It's a white ball. What's the white ball? It's a one ball is going. Yeah, I just had some balls over there. I thought myself it would be good. You could see in my video that I did a ball. So I like to go back. You can see my friend.
Hello. Warwick.
Is it from Japan?
Oh, it's not Japan, it's London, Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's very nice. So I think we're gonna head back to some